My name is Marcus and I work as a technical manager at Emilshus. We have just completed an energy efficiency project at an office building in Växjö. In connection with the project, we installed the air handling unit that you see behind me. In addition to the tenants getting a better indoor climate, we have calculated that the new unit will reduce energy use by approximately 85,000 kilowatt-hours per year. This energy saving increases our net operating income significantly, which leads to the property rising in value. Now you will get to meet Anton at Cretec, who will show how easy it was to replace the unit.
My name is Anton and I work at Cretec. We are working on an energy efficiency project at an office building in Växjö. We are replacing an old air handling unit from 1991. The SFP value is around 3. The unit has a heat recovery between 40 and 50%. We started the demolition this morning. Tomorrow we will bring in the new unit. We start by lifting out the old unit. The new unit from IV Produkt has the integrated cooling unit Eco Cooler, and we can therefore tear out the old cooling installation. And then we bring in the new unit. Now the new air handling unit from IV Produkt is in place. It is an N-Vista Flex with Eco Cooler. The high heat recovery that comes with the new unit means that we reduce the additional heat from the district heating by around 80%. The electricity use for the fans drops by an estimated 50%. This air handling unit exchange took 3 days. Payback for the property owner is 5 years.